When God is silent, don't mistake His silence for His absence. The greatest battles are often fought in the quiet. Joseph had no answers in the prisons, yet God was preparing a palace. David waited in lonely caves, yet God was shaping a king. Your silence may not be God's rejection, it may be God's preparation. Just because you cannot see His hands doesn't mean He has stopped working. The same God who parted the Red Sea, the same God who raised Lazarus, the same God who conquered the grave is still writing your story. So don't give up, don't stop praying, don't stop believing, because when God is silent, He's often doing His greatest work where your eyes cannot yet see. Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him. That is His word for you in Psalm 37 verse 7.